the flexibility is a big problem for us because we're getting older, we're getting, tighter, all right? So, but remember, flexibility involves two things. One thing, your joints is really flexible, right? And the second thing, how you handle the muscle, okay? So, if you are very flexible, but your muscle handle wrong, you still can be very tight, cannot do anything, right? So, right now, for adults, even more working on relax. I tell you right, before, last class I think, the hip cannot hold too tight. So look at me, this kick is not good. Watch me. Artificial kick. Too much control. No. I want kick like this. Fast, sharp, with accent, give free. Watch me. Here, look, this is you should do. Finish already. At the beginning, I give you energy, rest off it, relax, let it go. Start the energy and relax, let it go. Shut down. That I mean. Okay, so you will look more flexible. This, not look flexible at all. You feel so tight. Okay, try that, everybody. Artificial front. Give the power, fast and let it go. Ready? Go, kick. Oh, beautiful. That's it. That's it. That's called kick. Okay? So this not called kick. But this called kick.